Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review of Zoook Rocker Thunderbolt. So I got this speaker from Amazon. It's a 30-watt speaker and the price is 2200 rupees, and I got it on lightning deal sale. So before we get started with the review, I would ask you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. And let's get started. So this is Zook's latest offering, the Zoook Rocker Thunderbolt. It's available for 2200 rupees on Amazon. This is very much similar to the Zoook Rocker Thunder Pro or the Zoook Rocker Thunder 2. So before we get started with the review, let's go around the box and see what all features it offers. So in the front of the box, as you can see, it says Zoook Rocker Thunderbolt 30 watts, image of the speaker, party speaker with karaoke, wireless microphone included. And on this side of the box, you got some specifications. It says Bluetooth version 5.0, speaker unit is 6 inches woofer, speaker output is 30 watts, connectivity options are Bluetooth, auxiliary input, mic input, USB flash and wireless mic. That means you can connect a wireless mic as well, and it's got a mic for taking calls. The power source is DC 5 volts. You got a wireless karaoke mic. You got LED lights on the speaker for disco effects. It's got TWS function, that means you can connect two of these speakers together. You got echo control. Battery capacity is 1200 mAh. I found that part very funny, that you're having a big speaker and you're having a very small battery. And the play time is 2 to 5 hours. Charging time is 3 to 5 hours. But the play time that I got was about 4 hours at 70% volume. And the charging time was 3 hours, not 5 hours. And the product weight is about 1.5 kgs. So all in all, it's an okay kind of a speaker. And at the back, you got some features that they mention. It says it's a disco speaker, Bluetooth, DJ flashing lights, karaoke Zoook style, total 30 watts of power, built-in rechargeable battery. So let's see how this speaker fares. So let me do the unboxing and I'll be back with its contents. Yes guys, I'm back with the contents. So here's the main speaker unit. You get a user manual, you get a wireless microphone, you get an auxiliary cable and a USB cable for charging. And that's about it. So let me keep these things aside and let's bring in the speaker. The design of the speaker does not look bad. It's a very handy speaker. You've got an olive green handle on the top and you've got the olive green ring around the speaker. In the front, you've got the Zoook branding in the front, metallic grill, the 6-inch woofer, and over here you've got the bass out vent inside the metallic grill. And over here you've got some LED lights. It glows while playing music. So on the top you've got some functions. Over here you've got minus volume, play pause, plus volume. You also have a volume jog dial as well. Over here you've got the mic option button. You've got equalizers. You've got the on and off and the mode switch. You've got a micro USB port for charging. You've got an auxiliary input. Next to it, you've got the mic for taking calls. You've got a USB input and a mic input as well. And at the back, you've got nothing. Only thing which really pops out is not the branding. It says made in China. Yes, this is a Chinese speaker. And it's a plastic speaker. It's hollow from inside. It makes quite a ruckus when it's not even playing music. So it's a very light speaker. It's just got a 1200 mAh battery. It's a very small battery. And to be really honest, I don't know how this speaker sounds. So let's play some music. And before that, let's talk about the battery. The battery life is horrible. It's a 1200 mAh battery. It takes about 3 hours to completely charge. And the play time is absolutely horrible. According to the site, it says 2 to 5 hours, but it does not play for 2 to 5 hours. It plays for just 4 hours at 70% volume, or even less sometimes. So let's play music and you decide whether this speaker is worth it or not. So let's start with turning on the speaker. So hit the power button.
Your Zoook rocker is ready to pair.
The wireless device has connected successfully.
It's connected to my mobile device, but this LED light is very irritating. So hit the plus button for a couple of seconds and the LED will stop. So now let's play some music. So now that you've heard the sound quality of the speaker, I am really disappointed. This speaker does not sound good at all. It has got very sharp treble. The bass is absolutely horrible. The music is absolutely distorted. You play it at 50% volume or you play it at 100% volume. The distortion destroys the music quality at any volume. I suggest all my viewers not to use this speaker as a party speaker, but only use it as a PA system. For announcements or for functions or for lectures at school, then that is perfect, but not for listening music because there is horrible distortion in the music. So viewers, I'm warning you, this speaker is a thumbs down from Tech Dude Varun. It sounds horrible. Don't buy the speaker unless until you're buying it for public announcements or giving lectures in school or announcement on function parties. That's it. But don't use it as a party speaker because for that it is a horrible sounding speaker. So guys, I hope you found this video informative. Save your money. Don't buy the Zoook Rocker Thunderbolt. It sounds horrible. I'm not leaving the links in the description below. Don't find this speaker on Amazon as well. Stay away. I am hurt, Zoook. So this was my review for the Zoook Rocker Thunderbolt, a horrible speaker. I'll be back soon with another video. You take care of yourself. God bless and be safe.